Hey everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to see which folders are largest in Windows 10, so you can easily identify where your disk space is being used. Step 1. Open Windows Explorer and navigate to the folder you want to check. Windows Explorer lets you browse all your files and folders, and this is where you can start analyzing folder sizes. Step 2. Right-click on the folder and select Properties from the context menu. This option gives you detailed information about the folder, including its total size and number of files inside. Step 3. In the Properties window, check the Size field to see the total size of the folder. This shows you exactly how much space the folder is taking on your hard drive, which helps you manage your storage better. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips and guides.